if I ask you to count from 1 or 0 to 5 on your 5 fingers, you'll answer me, well, that's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what if I tell you that I can count from 0 to 31 using just 5 fingers on my one hand? Well, watch the rest of the video to see how I do it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, when we count using the decimal system, usually I say our 5 fingers, you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what if I tell you that I can use my 5 fingers to count to 31? Not 5, but to 31. Now, if you recall, if you haven't, go look at my tutorial on byte. We explained the binary system. But anyway, I'll teach to shorten it, yeah? The binary system is to the power of 2. So the first one will be 1, 0 or 1. Then it will be 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Okay, so if I use the binary system to count using my fingers, this will be 0, 1. Then 2 will be like this, because it's 1, 2, 4. So one finger like this is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. This will be 4, because it's 1, 2, 4. 4, 5, 6, because 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. I already got 7. Okay, the next one is 8, which is this one. It's 1, 2, 4, 8. Plus 1 is 9. Plus 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. 8 plus 4, because it's 4, 8, is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. That is 8 and 4 and 2. That's at 8 and 4 is 12. 13, 14. Plus 1 is 15. I've already got 15. Now, last power that I've got on this one is the big one is 16. My thumb is worth 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 16 must have been my fingers. 16 plus 2, it's 0 or 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 16 plus 2 is 18. That's 19. This one will be 20, because 16 plus 4 to the power 4 to the power 16. That will be 20. That will be 21. That will be 22. Plus 1, 23. 16 plus 8 is 24. Plus 1, 25. Then I just need to bend these down. That will be 26. Because that's 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. Plus 2, 26. 27. This is 28. 16 plus 8 is 24. Plus 4, 28. 29. That will be 30. Think of it. It's 16 plus 8. 24 plus 4. 28 plus 2. It's 30. 16, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. There I've used 5 fingers to count till 31. Now I could count further if I imagine if I now put 10 fingers. Because that we know this is 2 to the 16, 16, 32, 2 to the power 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. You guys can try it. My fingers aren't that flexible. I need to use one hand to fold the other one, so I won't try it. But yeah, that is how you count on 5 fingers from 0 to 31. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, yeah, I've got a quick example of what I was showing you guys earlier on my fingers. You'll see that the first one, if it's open, it will be 1, and then it goes to the power of 2, 1, 2, 4. So this finger would be value 4, 8, 16, and so on. And as I've got these two fingers extended, 16 plus 8 is 24. So effectively, I can count to 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 with the different combinations, which give me a total of 31. Okay, and this is why I'm showing this is fundamentally in understanding integers and other types in programming. As you know, computers use the binary system, and I'm just showing you that with a binary system, using my 5 fingers, I could count up to 31. Hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, lesson 9. Please don't forget to like, to send your comments, and subscribe to my channel. I've also got a Facebook page related to this channel, and see you on the next video.